Comics here, and I'm gonna teach you on how to make an awesome intro for free, legit, and online. So first, we need to go to our browser, and let's search for Panzoid. So there we have it. And I'm sorry because I'm having colds. That's why I'm always sounding like a pig. So I'm sorry. And so we are in Panzoid. So first we need to check out this tree out, but this is where we can find awesome intros for just free. So let's click there. Ads again. Oh, good thing. So we are here now, and we need to pick the templates here in our left side. If you're looking, X. Oh my gosh, it's okay. So let's pick that. So it may be loading because it's loading the template and it's setting our settings here. So let's wait maybe a couple of hours. I'm joking. Now we're here. So after I hate ads. I'm gonna block this. Sorry guys for that freaking ad. So let's again. So I'm doing this one because just for emergency. So like I picked the template and this is the one. This one. So let's the template. But if you want to change the template, the text, just go here to this cube thing and click on the text and write your name. Like example, your name is Aristotle. I can't think of anything. So Aristotle has a new intro. So after you've done that, your intro, just go here. Here, and start video render. And after you rendered it, I'm gonna doing it right now for you. So we need to wait. But if you start a video render, it will render and show your website for your download link. So thanks for watching, guys. My name is Mitcher Gaming, and I'm signing out.